All right, guys, 2004 Toyota 4Runner V8 SR5 Beast. Look at this thing. It's huge. What we got done on this beast? It had a sleeve that was leaking right there. We fixed it. There's the 4 converters, 2 there and 2 back here, as you guys can see. Then it wires into a single there. And if it's not loud enough, he said he's gonna bring it back and we're gonna true dual it. But for right now, it's single. But there's a sleeve we fixed, it was leaking. We did a muffler delete, as you guys can see right there. And did also a resonator delete. And I threw in a nice black roll tip just to complete the look. It looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer with it, to match the rest of the black badging. There's the muffler that was on it. And there's the resonator that was on it. And my boy's supporting that exhaust addicts with the hat. And then we got his other car on the lift on the channel we did. We lowered it, put some wheels on it. Look at that hat, camo baby. Yes sir, exhaust addicts all the way. Anyways, stay tuned guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, not bad, 4.8. Decibels 102. Toyota 4Runner, straight color. Let you guys hear on the inside. We're gonna get you guys a double header. So he's gonna take off first, and then his friend's gonna take off next. So you guys get to listen to 2 and tell me which one won. The 4Runner or the Hyundai or Hyundai. We can't hear it. Look at him showing off. Turn it off. This is a Toyota video, not a Hyundai. Anyways, here we go. Sorry I had to raise my voice. I hate when they go that way. And his door is open.